Hi folks, it's Moz here and I'm going to unbox and review another rare AIRFIX kit. This one here, the 1 to 350th scale Trafalgar class submarine. AIRFIX don't really have a history of submarines. They did release a starter set submarine called Das Boot back in 2013, which was a rebox of the Mirage Hobby, which was pretty much an old tool from back in the 1990s. But they did release this one here back in 2009 and then released it again 1 year later as a gift set, which came with paints, brushes and some cement. But yes, they've only ever released this one in this packaging once and it's never been seen again. And I have it on good authority that it never sold well. But this one isn't one of those, you know, glue two sides together and you're done. This does have some detail. Anyway, so you've got some box art there and it looks like an actual photograph of the Trafalgar class submarine. The code for this one is A03260 and that's it. This side of the box is some information, I believe, in different languages, but it's this side which has some information there about this submarine. The fleet submarines of the Trafalgar class are extremely sophisticated, deep diving, high speed submarines capable of fulfilling a range of maritime tasks undreamed of by the strategists of previous generations. This one here comes with 41 pieces. The length is 245 millimeters and the width is 28 millimeters, so it's quite long and thin. You only need 4 paints for this one, and that's 11, 33, 54 and 80. And it does come with decal options for the Trafalgar, the Trenchant, the Turbulent, HMS Torbay, Talent, Tireless and HMS Triumph. Just quickly, the last one remaining of the 7 Trafalgar class submarines, HMS Triumph, is expected to remain in service until 2024. The rest are being decommissioned. So I wonder if the last one does ever get decommissioned. Well, it probably will. Would AIRFIX release this kit in honour of them? Who knows? But, you know, that's what it's saying on Wikipedia anyway. And I just thought I'd add that to this video. And there's only one difference between HMS Trafalgar and the rest of them. And that is the propeller on the back. Some came with a propeller and the Trafalgar came with a propeller and the rest came with like a pressure jet system. But let's have a look inside the box and let's see what we get. But before I unbox and review this kit, can I ask a favour? 80% of the people who watch my channel are not subscribers, and it really does help with the algorithm. So if you can, would you just click subscribe? And if you ring that bell, click all, you'll never miss another video from this channel. And any likes and comments also do help, so please feel free to like the video and comment below. So, top opening box, and there's some instructions there. This, because I bought this second hand, it's not come in its bag, but you can assume this would have been bagged. There's no clear parts, so it's 2 sprues. The decal sheet here, which is pretty crisp, looks pretty good. There you are. I don't know whether it's cartograph though. No, there's no mention on the box that they're cartograph, so I'm assuming these are the decals that AIRFIX used before they went over to cartograph. If you know if they are cartograph, or you know the company that used to make them for AIRFIX, just let me know in the comments below. It really does help. So then, quick, they show you the call out, which is actually showing just Trafalgar because they've got the prop on, not the jet propulsion that they have on the other submarines, as you can see there. So where it says 1 question mark, you've got all these, but the rest of the decals are the same, you know, wherever you put them. Right then, quick look at the sprues, and as you can see, there's not 2 pieces put together, it's actually 3. So you're doing the bottom half of the submarine there, and then you have the top there, just to glue on top. So it's a 3-piecer on this one, not just your bog standard 2. And then you get this sprue here. This one comes with a stand, so you can have a stand with this as well, which is cool. So you have to paint that up some sort of wood effect, I reckon. There you can see there's the prop there for Trafalgar, and that part there and this part here is the jet propulsion for the rest of the schemes. So if you're doing HMS Torbay, you would use that one and that one. So you have the build up there of the conning tower there, and you have like the hydroplanes there, which I believe could be retracted if they need to go through ice, if they're like, you know, under, so you could retract them. But yeah, they've got all the pieces there, all the like the periscope and antennae that go on top of the conning tower. You can either have it closed off, which is that piece there, or you can have it open there with like some sort of hatch, and then you can add all these pieces along there. So yeah, quite a bit of detail there on this one. So yeah, that is the parts. Instruction time, and you get a little booklet. The first part is actually building the stand. So yeah, that's how you build the stand basically. It's 3 pieces, and so I hope this will probably aid in the construction of the submarine. So you're doing the lower halves of the hull first, and then you can then have a choice of putting in the hydroplanes on the back there. But on the front, you can either have it on or off. There you go there. And it looks like you've got to cut a piece off there too. And then you have the torpedo doors there to go in the front, to glue on. Again, it looks like you're cutting some pieces, or drilling, I should say, some bits off the plastic there. You know, that helps with the planes. And then you then affix the top to the bottom hull there, the top of the hull to the bottom. Then you're putting on the fins at the back here. Sorry, they are fins. Sorry, they weren't hydroplanes. I do apologise. So it's like, yeah, everything you need, your rudder, everything goes on the back. This one here is for the A1, A2. So that's with the propeller. So you're doing Trafalgar on this one. And for the other ones, you're using the, is it called a pump jet? I think they're called a pump jet propulsion. Just in the back of my mind, I think it's a pump jet propulsion. And that's giving you colours actually, so 54 and 33. It's brass and black, so black, brass and black on that one, and that all attaches onto the back. Then you're putting in some more doors and chutes, I guess, and then you're building the conning tower there in 2 pieces, quite simple. And then you've got a choice of it open or closed, depending on which one you want to do. So if you're moving on, you'll then add in all these extra pieces on, and there's loads. I presume there's a periscope, antennae, everything that you need there on the top. Finals, I guess that's more antennae, front and back, or aerials. I'm really not sure what I'm looking at here on that piece there and that piece there. So if you want to explain it to me in the comments below, that would be excellent. I don't quite see what I'm actually trying to look at here. Whether it's the position of the, of these pieces, I don't know. I can't quite see what I'm looking at, but hey ho. And that's it from the instructions. I'm just going to put it out there. I'm not a submarine kind of guy anyway, like I say, normally 2 hours put together, and that's it. Anyways, I hope that was a good unboxing and review for you. And if you do see them for sale, I've seen them on eBay for around £60, which is ridiculous. And I don't think they have any plans on re-releasing them again. But it's just one of those tools that if you've got one in your stash, it may be, if you're not going to build it, maybe it's worth selling on. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. A huge shout out to my channel members who are appearing on the screen now. They help financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a member, where you get extra perks, like extra content and contact with me directly, you can click join below and select which membership tier you wish to join. Any questions, any comments, leave in the box below, because I do reply. And if you've not seen my previous video, click here. If you'd like to see a playlist of all my kit unboxings, click here.